Alright, we're about to pull into Cars and Coffee. Got some badass traffic just sitting around. Got another S10 right there behind Bryce. This was the truck that was behind us. Look at that flip forward hood. Oh my gosh. That's sick. We're gonna walk around to this thing. I'm gonna go get some coffee or something. Is that what that is? Yep. Nice.
I can't say that y'all are. This is right here. This middle.
5, man. Appreciate that. $500, dude.
That's wild.
Check it out, man. Alright, here at Cars and Coffee, we have a Diamond Edition Jimmy Envoy. Special front end. Special cladding down the side of it. And the coolest part, I think, is the seats. Man, it's not going to show up good on camera. Let me go the other side where the sun's not reflected. There we go. You can kind of see the seats in there. That's factory. Door panels are like that too. You better have that number ready for real. I don't think I can win twice. There's only one other person here I want to win. Yeah, it was 9377, wasn't it? 9 minutes. Oh, we're so lucky we went up there, bro. Did I tell you it was stick shift?
No.
I meant to tell you that earlier, but I don't know what was going on. I was hype as hell or something. Man, I bet this thing is rowdy. What, they just gonna have a LSS10 in here hiding?
Be a lot cheaper to have.
Yeah, you should do that roll pan on yours, Bryce. Yeah, you'd have to do it. He's got it molded into the body too.
That's fire.
Yeah, that was really good. These wheels don't look bad on there for what they are. You know it's got the V8 LS, baby. Let's see the steering shaft clearance on his. Look, he didn't even get to do what me and you did on yours. Which we didn't have to do anything. Like that intake, just nice and smooth. Man, this thing is clean as shit. Got an Envoy front bumper on there. We survived. Might have blew out the exhaust, and you might have blew out your exhaust. We both might have blew out our exhaust. Bro, when you're driving behind me, first off, I about wrecked 100 times just because I can't stop looking.
Yeah.
It's like a chick flashing somebody else, but you can't stop looking, you know?
Oh, I completely broke it.
What?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Oh my God. No. No. Did you?
I mean, it's not loud.
No, we're still connected. Yeah, it is like on the ground. Very. I bet you wore a hole in it already.
It was like everywhere I went.
That's so cool. Yeah, we'll fix that. And then it won't do that no more. That Cars and Coffee was amazing. If you want to see all the other cool rides that are there, just go over to my other YouTube channel called Will Cuts, and you can see a full video of everything that we had going on there. It was an amazing time, and this Saturday, we're going again to 513 Duntov Way in Bowling Green, Kentucky, March 14th. The event is called Caffeine, Octane, and Helicopters, and it's going to be right across from the Corvette Museum. Amazing time. Hope to see some of you guys there. Maybe we can meet up and talk. Also, we've got a new product for the website. These keychains right here. You can get them in red, white, or blue, and they're only $9.50, free shipping. So go check it out and support the channel. See you guys on the next one.